Hello everyone, welcome to Warex. Today we shall discuss about our production module, which is also called as factory module in our Warex menu. In the factory module, we have three sub-modules, which is bill of materials, material resource planning, and production. So let us go to the bill of materials. In the bill of materials, you can take any product, any finished good, and then attach the entire raw materials and semi-finished goods, which goes into the finished product in the production process. You can also define the machines engaged or the operations that are to be done per unit manufacturing of the finished good. You can also define the scrap produced from the production process, and therefore you have an estimated BOM costing per unit. You can also define the machines and operations along with their serial numbers and equipment number and the entire cost and capacity per equipment in the machine settings. You can go to material resource planning where the entire material or entire item and SKU defined in your system is visible, where the stock is in the warehouse, how much stock is in the factory, how much is the sales queue, so that depending upon the sales queue you can plan it into the production, how much is in purchase queue, number of purchase orders done but not yet received, how much indent quantity is there which is not yet turned into purchases, what is that in the production reserve, and what is the requested quantity in to the production, what is the pending quantity that we return to the warehouse, and how much is the production output if it is the finished good which is undergoing the production. Based on that, you have the required quantity. Depending upon the required quantity, you can plan and then take it into production. You can also see all the requisitions that each and every production order is doing, be it be material request from the warehouse to the factory, or a finished good issue to the warehouse, or a material return, or even an indent. If an indent is linked to the PO or not, the PO status itself will also be visible here. So let us go to the production module where you will create a production process, and each production process has several stages from schedule to the completion to the FG issue. You can take a pipe fitting case. Our factory module is applicable for several industries, be it be components and auto spares, chemicals, FMCG, electrical appliances, and several others. Take a pipe fitting with production quantity of 1000 and attach a BOM to it, and all the calculations required for raw material estimation or semi-finished good estimation are already calculated, along with the estimated actual hourly cost per product and the scrap that may get produced from the process. Before you schedule it, you must assign the machines which are available as per your capacity to this particular production process. You set those equipments and go to the material card and plan your entire material. In the material card, you have the estimated quantity required for this production process to produce the target quantity of 1000, and you have the entire visibility of each and every material, whether it be in warehouse or factory, or it is some other reserve, some other production reserve. Now you can have any action taken here. For example, you can make a material request of 50 from warehouse to the production reserve. The warehouse will receive this order and then create a gate pass into the factory production unit. Similarly, you can do several other actions, including material return, material reserve, material release to the factory, and also an indent. So this is how you create your reserve into the production block and then go to the schedule the production, complete this production, and then issue the finished good. We also have production processes for nested BOMs up to 4 levels of BOM, where we group the production processes and then estimate the entire finished good. Thank you for watching.